A federal judge heard arguments Monday on whether the White House violated a court order by deporting migrants without proper court hearings. The Trump administration claims it has authority to do so under the Alien Enemies Act of 1798 because the individuals in question were Venezuelan gang members. As the U.S. government argues that its use of this 18th century law is valid, we wanted to take a closer look at why Congress passed it in the first place. So it goes back to concerns over a possible war with France. In 1798, the Alien Enemies Act was created to make sure the president had the power to imprison or deport immigrants who might sympathize with the French. While a full-out war with France didn't happen, the law remained on the books. It's only been used 3 times, and in each case to target nationals from countries the U.S. was in and officially declared war with. During the War of 1812, it was used against British nationals. During World War I, President Woodrow Wilson used it as justification to arrest and investigate more than 10,000 German nationals and German Austrians. And once the Second World War began, President Roosevelt used it to create the highly controversial Japanese internment camps, which held approximately 120,000 people with Japanese ancestry for 4 years, the majority of whom were U.S. citizens. According to the law's text, it can only be invoked when a foreign government threatens an invasion or predatory incursion, like the raid led by Benedict Arnold for the British in 1781. What's at question in the Trump administration's usage is if the threat of a predatory incursion can be applied to certain cartels to combat unlawful migration and narcotics trafficking. The court will decide if this law, which was designed to enhance the president's wartime powers, can be used in a non-congressionally declared war.